Good evening, folks. Good evening, Bob. This is my son Patch. Play a couple of reels for you. Girls rest and get ready for the next set. In the back row, could you hear us without the sound on? That sound okay? Yeah. Try this without sound because you get a better sense of the music if you hear it without the speakers. So we'll go without the sound to start. You need to turn it up. Do so. So these are two reels. They come from the area of Ireland known as Sligo. The first one is called the Getricks, or Spindleshanks. It's a long story, but the Irish have great names for tunes. The second tune is the mystery reel, because they don't know what the name is. So someone called it the mystery reel. They revived it from a long time ago. It's probably a couple hundred years old. So we're going to give these a try. Ready?